Hello guys, I am back with a very good question for all of you. Whose volume is larger, 1 kg ice or 1 kg water? So to explain this, I will give you a wonderful example of why Titanic sank. So everybody knows about RMS Titanic, that on one fine night RMS Titanic was going in the sea and suddenly it hit an iceberg. So suppose this is the water and this is the iceberg, and we know that icebergs, they float in water. This is water. So those substances which float on water has less density than the water, right? Okay, so from here we can say that the density of ice is smaller than the density of water, right? Okay, now let's come back to our question again. If we have 1 kg water and you have 1 kg ice, I have specified the water is at 4 degree. You can consider the water even at a larger temperature, no issues at all. Now we know that masses are same, 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram, and the density of ice is less than the density of water. Now density is mass upon volume. Mass is 1 kilogram upon volume of ice of 1 kilogram, like this, 1 kilogram upon volume of water for 1 kg. Now guys, if we do the reciprocal, you will come to know this, that volume of ice becomes larger than the volume of water. Quite shocking, right? So it's our misconception that ice has got smaller volume than that of the water. So what happens is, when you have a piece of 1 kg ice and when it completely melts, it occupies even lesser space, guys. So what happens is, the ice piece might be bigger, but when it melts, its volume decreases and occupies a very small space as per our calculation, because mass remains constant, 1 kg water. Now from ice to water, the density should increase. So for increasing the density, mass remains constant, so the volume has to contract. So the piece of ice, when it converts into water, it actually contracts, so the volume decreases. Here is the proof. Guys, if you like my explanation, do subscribe to my channel and go through my all videos to enjoy the physics more. Thank you guys.